Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream with Mr. M.
How's it going, man?
How you doing, man? I'm like, 5
I'm good. It's Friday then.
It's Saturday, Sunday. What? We got to learn how to sing this song. One of these days, we need to learn actually how to sing this.
We'll play the video. It's crazy. It's already Friday.
Damn, man. Yes, it is. Wow. This is our second last full day here in the Maldives. Mm-hmm. We have like a day tomorrow, but we're flying out, in the evening. So I don't know if we really count that as a full day. Yeah. But we will be enjoying the resort, right?
Indeed, yeah. Mm-hmm. Indeed, we're recording a podcast later on, so stay tuned for that.
Exactly. Yes.
That'll be good,
man. Whew, wow, what a week actually. I mean, yes, it was a little bit of sideways action, but, with Solana, right, going woke, I started to look at the charts to see what would happen.
Yeah.
Because the charts don't lie. And decided to look at a different chart, the Bitcoin versus the Solana divided by Bitcoin, right?
Uh-oh.
To see what the price... If the price action indicated something there.
And boy, there is something.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. So with that said, right, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. You watch all the way to the end because you can't miss this information about how woke and broke Solana's going to go.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh, damn. Anyways. Make sure you head over to Mr. M's channel, right? You just type in Mr. M podcast, so he's the only one. And then, hit the subscribe and also check out this latest
Maybach
talk.
Yeah, with Zuby. It's really cool, man. We had a good time, and thanks again for letting us borrow the car.
No worries. All right. This is how you might feel, right? After being 5 years into crypto, and you're like, dog, what's going on? How much you got? What you got? Yeah, man. Yeah. That's my crypto.
That's
look at the face.
The face gives it away.
Exactly. Oh my
but that's
goodness.
How it feels, right? That's
yeah.
Exactly how it feels.
I know, exactly. Especially in the degen section.
The trenches
have been brutal.
Incredibly dangerous lately.
Yeah, exactly. But you know what? Once we're working on a bot, right? We are working on it. And I think the bot will help us because trust me, it will be a lot safer. We put a lot of sell orders and buy orders in different times.
I know.
And have it do it for us, right? I get that feeling that we can secure the bloodline this way.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it.
Can you program the bot to take screenshots?
Not profits.
That would be what we need.
By the way, did you take profits on that?
Oh, no.
Okay.
It's going to double.
True degen. All right. So, with that said, moving on.
23% have in progress, right? Okay, so when you guys think it's too late or the bull run is over, well, if you zoom out and look into perspective on different cycles, you can see, by the way, in the darker spot, you see the all-time high. You can see we're just barely into this thing. It's 23%. I mean, if we can use previous data to project future performances, technically it's not over.
Yeah, technically it's not over. So we got a little bit more downside, and then it's going to go up and only go a little bit higher than the 100K, and then die.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
That's good.
Oh, damn. Thank you for that hopium. Really appreciate that.
I'm ready, man. I got my hopium ready.
That's really going to help us out here.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a bit tricky, but I think it's not over. Again, there's another chart here that shows that we could have double bottom. I mean, we haven't done it yet, technically, according to this chart, but we could have gone into a path to print a W, as you call them.
Wow.
This is not even happened. We've gone from zoom out to make it out.
Wow.
But it's a possible there.
Wow.
It's a possible option.
Jesus Christ. let's see if that let's see here. A double top. Let's just say we go to 38.2, 61.8. I don't see where this looks like 50%, which not likely, right, to happen. If we only go 50%, odds are we're gonna crash, right? 61.8 would probably help us out a lot better than the 38.2, but it's still better than 50%, right? And so if we can do that, 38.2, which let's take a look at the chart. I mean, come on, why am I looking at this chart here? Let's look at this.
Well, we have our own.
Exactly. Ooh, look at this. We hit the target on this trade. Yeah.
Nice.
So this was from last week, but anyways.
Nice,
and I was telling people, hold this, move the stops to break even. But look at that. When we came out and then came back down, I said move the stops to break even. So if you held it, boom,
boom.
Okay. So, anyways, let's take a look.
I mean, I don't know if you agree, but I like the idea of pumping again and then flushing down again, because I think that 73 has to be revisited. So what better than taking liquidity, making looks like we're gonna pump and then we're gonna dump again. That could be. I'm not against that option.
So a 38.2. So he's taking half, right? So he's saying we'll go up to like 93, which is what, half that, 50%. No. You got to get up to the 61.8,
which is almost 100K, right?
Right, which is almost 100K, yes. And then say, okay, if we fail there, and then bounce, right? You know, do a 61.8 retrace from that top to this down. Then you could say maybe W, and then we're off to the races. But a 38.2 top right here would be okay. Would also be okay. Not the greatest, but we'd break this downward trend line, and that would mean for sure. Now, yeah, but the reason why the 50% would be not a good one is because, one, it's not a Fibonacci level, right? And two, right, you can see we didn't break above the previous support, which turns into resistance, which is approximately this red line here, right? We'll probably just, like, you could say, well, wait a second here. The 50% is above the red line. Yeah, but it's better close above that, right? Or else we're in a lot of trouble, right? And so a wick here and then come back down would not count. No.
Has to close above.
Yep. So a close maybe above 50% would give you a better shot, but it would have to stay above here, above the 50% for quite some time to give us a little bit of, okay, maybe we can survive. So let's just go with that, with this, and say, okay, well, you know what? If we come up to the 38.2, perfect. That would be decent. We need to break above this and hold this line, above this line. It would be better if we stay above the line, come back down, and then bounce off of it, and then that would be, oh my God, thank you. Yes, that would be the gift from God that just kept on giving, and there you go. Because then the trend line would be the support, and then that would indicate, yes, for sure, we are off to the races, and you can just double down on your bets.
Would you long now, or is it kind of too late?
Yeah, I am longing now.
Yeah.
I'm actually longing right now. On weex.davincij15.com. I don't have it open right now, but I can show it to you next time.
Perfect.
Okay. So yeah, I don't agree with this chart so much, right? You can see it's exactly at the 50%, right? So.
Yeah, I mean, plus or minus a few movement, but I think AW could be playing out, maybe going higher like you suggested, but I think it could make sense also in my mind. That's for sure. Again, another example of, things are easier than we make them. We can see in previous cycles we've seen a kind of a parallel channel, whatever you want to call it, and now we basically just retested it. So we might go a little bit lower. Even the one that I draw, remember my parallel channel, still.
Yeah, we're holding.
Support.
We're holding.
So
we're holding for that what's it called? Hopium hold. Breathe it in.
And also seasonality wise, I think we have this another example. You miss 25,000, you miss 52,000. Don't make the same mistake. We are about to go into another move, I believe at least, and the RSI down there you said you saw a bullish divergence, right?
Yes, actually, you know what? This I don't know which there's a time scale this is, but if we go back
It
to
doesn't say.
here, you can see right now. Let's just go with the MACD first, and then we'll show you the RSI.
Nice.
All right, the MACD is right here, and let's just make it bigger. You can see there's our bullish divergence and the confirmation.
Ooh.
Right, we
Hello.
confirmed it all quite a while ago, a few days. Like, is this hourly? This is the daily. Ooh, daily. It's confirmed it a while ago. Look at that. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, earlier on. So, boom.
Is there a bullish cross? The two average they crossed. The blue went over the orange.
Yeah, this is bullish cross. Yes.
Wow.
So yeah.
Okay.
Now, technically, be careful, right? With these, with this daily bullish thing, bullish. What's it called? Divergence. Because it's only one reason for them making a trade, and you see the RSI has that. I could have swore it crossed, but it didn't quite cross. See, it has to cross. See, this is the divergence here. I thought it did. Okay, well,
Maybe in a different time
yeah.
frame.
no, this is daily time frame.
Oh,
so,
daily. Okay.
So I thought it did cross, but you can see that it didn't quite cross. So this is a little bit lower. So, that's kind of strange. Yeah, well, it didn't quite cross. Maybe on a 4 hour did it cross? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's see here. Right here. Right here. Nope, it didn't cross on the 4 hour. I didn't think so. And is there a divergence anywhere else? No, not really. So, yeah, there it is. It didn't quite cross, but that's okay. I like the MACDs better.
Yeah.
So with that said, right, we could see Bitcoin retrace a little bit, but long as it doesn't break this upward trend, that's okay. We can be friends because the trend is your friend to the
Until
end.
the end. Yeah. I like it.
Okay, so we can say, oops. As long as we don't break this trend, we're good. Right? So we can come down a little bit, 90, 82, maybe we should peek our nose below it, and then come back. As long as it does that on the 4 hour, that's it. We can see that look at that. This might be, yeah. Look at this. This is a wedge. Right?
Yeah. We are about to
That if we,
find
we're
out
about to
if
break
we're
out,
gonna-
So we're
Okay.
going to break out one way or another, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It's either up or down. And if we break down, then that's it. We break down. It is what it is.
Yeah, I like you said the other day, I still have the feeling we have to retest the previous all-time high. I think it was 69, depending on the exchange. Maybe it would be 70-ish. But I feel like it could very much be that we see a pump and then liquidity is going to get grabbed. Also, we have I think it's a $4,000 Ethereum. There is a stupid amount of liquidity. So if there is indeed a big pump, I think people are going to sell into it.
I'm like reconsidering that wedge, but it's kind of, it's a little bit weak, right? Because we've got the wedge starts right back here to here, and then down here. But this wedge starts at the bottom part of the wedge starts down here. So I don't know. It's kind of weak. But here's the thing: we can go like this. Actually, I just realized we can do this. Control C, Control V, and yes, this is also possibility right here, there, right?
Nice.
And there it is. This is a upper trend channel, right? And we're just gonna break that channel. So that's also. If we break to the downside, the good news is the target is just only the 79-ish area, 70.
And then 73 as the lowest.
Right,
kind of.
so we could end up like bouncing from here. So long as we but then again we have to break above the 87 in order for it to be confirmed bullish from there. If we do break down from this trend, okay.
Nice.
There
Thank
it
you.
is.
People are loving the TA, by the way. Thank you for all the comments, guys. Thank you for tuning in. That's amazing. Yeah, I also like TA.
Okay.
This is really cool. Excuse me. As you can see, Quentin tweeted this. Bitcoin held for less than a week just dropped from 5.9% to 2.8%. It's a 50% decline in 3 months. So this means paper hands are shaken out while institutions are buying. So again, look what their money are doing, follow the money, and you'll be alright. You can see there's been a lot of, by the way, into the ETFs as well, as we discuss every day. ETFs are still retail. The majority are into the majority they buy into BlackRock are retailers. So whenever something like this happens, they will sell. Say paper hands. So it's good to see a good shakeout. And now I believe whoever is in will be less papery and more diamond hands, because there are people they know, they buy for the long run.
Exactly.
So overall, it's positive. It's nice to see paper hands. The tourists have gone.
Yeah.
Right?
Damn tourists.
They'll be back. They'll be back at 100K.
Yeah, no, exactly. Because you notice our views are down across the board, right? Whether it's all crypto people are seeing a little bit of a drop off, because those are the tourists. They're here for the only good times, and then they're gonna sell when the bad times and walk away, right? So that's just the way it is. That's our market.
Indeed.
Okay. So what's this all about? We have crypto will expand dominance of the U.S. dollar, Trump says. Okay. Before we go and read this stuff, right? We'll read this highlighted part. I want to talk about one thing. I always was concerned that the U.S. government would run out of buyers of the U.S. debt, right? Once they run out of buyers of the U.S. debt, they're screwed, right? But now they have the buyer of last resort. And who is that? It's y'all. You're like, what? I'm not buying no
crypto thing.
U.S. bonds, right? I'm not buying U.S. bonds. What are you, crazy? Yeah, but everybody who has a USDT has effectively supported the U.S. bond, the Treasury bond. And so this is the way. Now, if they get everybody on board to USDT or some sort of digital currency, right, that the banks create and compete with each other to do,
they have another instrument.
They have another instrument for bonds. They can force through regulation, right? That you got to have a 1-to-1 with bonds. Only. Boom. Boom shakalaka.
Boom.
They have another buyer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is why we will see, I agree 100%, and this is why we will see stable coins, specifically USDC and USDT, and maybe new ones they will create, being pushed by the Trump administration, because it's going to allow them to expand their dominance through the world, right? Because there are places where people don't have bank accounts. But if they buy the USDT, which is pegged to the dollar, well, they are effectively buying the dollar.
Exactly. And supporting the U.S. Treasury market.
Exactly. So
that's the key.
And that's why you can see Trump going to this, digital asset summit and say, oh, crypto is as big as you can get, and we're going to read now what he said, but they will definitely enforce and push stablecoin for sure. And I think USDC will have a upper hand because Coinbase is playing by the rules as opposed to Tron and Tether. So
exactly. So I'm impressed, because I always thought, who are they going to get to buy this freaking US debt? Aliens?
Pyramids. Pyramids, guys.
Damn. Let's not go there.
Yeah. Yet.
Oh, speaking about strange things.
All right. There is. Man, I was so happy about that thing they posted, and it's gone. So I don't know if you guys have seen it.
I was proud of them.
I know.
I was like, it was a proud moment for Solana. They had a moment of sunshine, right?
I know.
And then they break their silence over this so-called backlash, right? I think it was Churchill said something like, if you don't have any enemies, you've never stood up for anything. They should have the enemies of the woke people as enemies.
Yeah,
I mean, come on.
I thought the election.
They're not that bright.
Yeah, and I thought the election, said something about America is back and make America great again, the MAGA movement and all those. The people they voted Trump, they seem not to be in that ballpark of thinking. So why this happened, I mean,
Trump signed an executive order saying there's only two genders.
I know, it's just crazy. And
So-
men can compete with women in Olympics, and I'm like,
Duh.
how we got there in the first place? You know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's, it is what it is.
Yeah, we got there, right? Because as a distraction to keep us down, mentally down, right? Honestly, if you ask me, because that's what it does. If you are constantly talking about something that's obvious, like for example, should I have skin, right? Or can I live without my skin?
Let me think about it.
That would be fucking stupid, right? To even ponder that, right? And if you try to ponder that, right, you're not going to grow as a person, right? If you ponder the obvious, right?
Yeah,
If you spend time pondering about the obvious, but if you spend time pondering about something greater, better, well, that makes you greater and better.
Yeah.
Just saying. So this is all the plan by someone. I don't know who. I don't care who. But they know that if you spend time thinking about this nonsense,
You can focus on other
exactly.
issues. Yeah, I know. And this is so sad because I actually really enjoyed it. I actually even reposted it. I can't say retweet anymore because now it's X, whatever. But I reposted their ad and I thought it was brilliant. It was funny. It was interesting. And after 9 hours, they took it down. And now this guy, which is the co-founder of Solana, Yokavenko, I think you pronounce his surname, said, "Oh, I'm sorry for what I've done. I shouldn't have done it. I feel, ashamed." I was like, dude, chill, man. It was a video. It was a joke.
Yeah, exactly. It was funny. It was, and it was truthful, right? Honestly, right? I had to post this, right? I had to write this quote, right? It said right here: "Those who don't stand for 2 + 2 = 4 fall for anything." Hamilton. Not sure if I'm quoting him correctly, and I don't apologize for it.
Bang, and the slap. And the slap.
Yes. Dude, you're apologizing for speaking the truth.
Yeah, and regardless of what he thinks about everything, isn't it worse if you put something up and then you take it down, apologize? It's just you don't do it in the first place. You might as well don't do it instead of doing it and saying...
Yeah, but the
sorry,
only reason why they're doing that is because, right here.
Yeah.
Where does it say there? What does that say there?
They roll it back because it hurt their businesses, not because they thought it was wrong. I agree.
That's 100% it. Right? And you know what? You're not like Budweiser, right? Budweiser, you could say, well, Budweiser rolled back their woke campaign, right?
Yeah.
Because they lost money for something. Here's the thing, right? They went woke, right? And if they should have stayed woke if they believed in it,
Exactly, yeah.
right?
They were just following a trend, right?
Exactly. That's all. And they thought that trend was righteous, but obviously, beer, man, I don't think so. Right?
Like Jaguar.
I mean, come on. But that's just me. I understand that's logic for me, but whatever. And if you're saying, well, if they followed through, they would have went broke. Yeah, because they were wrong. And how do you know you're wrong? Well, if you believe that there's multiple genders, right? And guys can't be guys, right? I don't know about you, but I like to be a man. I like to be manly.
No, man, what are you talking about?
Right? That's how it's been for, throughout the ages. If you want to try and change that, go right ahead. And if your bottom line suffers, then it shouldn't work. Doesn't work. That's it.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly. I think at least for me the nonsense comes in with. I mean, you can. I'm open to whatever. They can do whatever they want, but they don't have to force me to change my grandma. That's the part that I don't understand. But
and yeah, honestly, they should have stuck with it because it was the truth, right? You you cannot go wrong with the truth.
anyway,
Even if everybody goes like, for example, can you imagine if we just said, "Well, the Earth is flat. That's it."
Yeah.
Too bad. Nobody bothered to check. Nobody bothered to do anything about it. Right? Come on. But you knew the truth. You know the truth. That 2 + 2 equals...
Well, math is a social construct. I thought it was hilarious. But it was also about the news, and the newspaper part was so funny. So I think they touch a couple of interesting topics. It was not just about the gender thing.
Yeah, okay, so the newspaper thing, right? Maybe you lose out to the media, the mainstream media. Really? Okay. So bad. Oh my God. Dude, really? You're still right. For over 150 years since we had newspapers, the truth has always been that they're lying.
Yeah. Lies! Lies! But exactly like you said, it's not even about whoever is. It's about questioning and refusing to believe the default by, It's nice to question things. It's good. It keeps your brain freaking functioning as opposed to obey,
Exactly.
It's, but yeah, I was sad to see them taking it off, to be honest. But that shows, I had a good chat with my brother, and I sent him the video, and he said, "Oh, that's funny. It's a shame that they're promoting it for they're using to promote a bad thing, right? Because Solana is, not decentralized and blah blah blah." I think it's the same argument. Like, now they took it down. It's like, okay, well, is it?
No, you know what? Now I hate Solana even more. Right? I can't stand it. It may it burn in hell. Right? It's centralized BS with its woke culture. May it burn in hell. No more Solana.
Yeah,
I'm done.
It is what it is. But fear and greed is back down at 30, which is interesting because Bitcoin is trading at $84,000 in major fear. I'll take it. I'm happy. We might go down a little bit, like we said earlier, but who cares? We've seen a pump into, was it 87, 86 something yesterday? Was it yesterday that we pumped?
Yeah, we did pump a little bit. We went all the way and cleared the gap, right? You were always like, I was praying with that gap, man. Just like, it's $300 gap. Yeah, well, the $300 is gone.
See, it's filled.
Let's take a look at that filled.
There's nothing we can look into it for
Boom,
hopium.
Filled.
Damn.
Filled. You were hopium that gap. Hopium.
Yeah.
And it's filled. No, and it's gone.
I'm running out of opium. Yes.
Damn.
Yeah, exactly. Fear is time to buy. Indeed, Carl. Fear is time to buy, at least for me. No financial advice. ETF is back from the dead, but it's kind of hanging a thread. We've seen a really bad few days. If you scroll up, you can see a sea of red happening there. Look at that.
Yeah, bloodbath.
And now we have seen like a decent week. At least it's not red, so I'll take it. Seen a good 41 million, 274, 209, and 11 yesterday. So I wonder how the week is gonna close, but it looks like at least we are going sideways, right?
Yeah, at least. It's still like, it's not much. It's not covering all the losses that we suffered there, but at least it's going up in the right direction.
Exactly. And hey, March is green.
We're green.
Hang in there. 0.09. That's like pure hopium.
Damn.
I don't know. As long as it's not red, man.
We got a little bit of a green shoe.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
If you look into historical performances, April is a good month, so I'm expecting. I don't want to jinx it, but it should be good. Yeah, should be good.
Oh damn! Wow. So now we're gonna go into that section that that's really ugly, gets dirty, gets scary, gets pretty filthy.
Filthy.
It gets people angry and leaving the show.
Or it could retire the bloodline.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's up to you. You want to leave the show or retire the bloodline? Your call, dog.
Oh, damn. So, but should you try to retire your bloodline by buying any of these assets that we buy, and it doesn't happen to retire your bloodline, make sure you take out your fault insurance. And the same applies if it does retire a bloodline. It's still your fault.
Exactly. And what was it? Take screenshots and not profit. That's the mantra,
I know.
right?
Mr. Take Screenshots, Not Profits here. Let's take a look at his token.
That was ready.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Wow. Let's first take a look at his token. Let's see how well that is doing. Then we'll go take a look at our bloodline tokens. Let's see here.
Okay, let's see.
It was Agenda
47.
Okay.
Yeah. By the way,
And it's down. And it's down.
No, come on, man. This is
Come
going
on.
to. It's going
Dude,
to,
man. Dude. Look
Why
at
did you put into the universe that we're going down?
Dude.
Putting the universe is going up.
that. Dude. This is clear. Where we're going.
Right to the moon. We go to the moon.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be so higher.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be so. The pump is gonna be so huge.
It could. I could be wrong. I mean, when you first sent it to me, I was like, this thing's gonna rug. And you said you agreed.
Yeah.
And I should have bought some, and I would have. My bloodline would have tired.
This thing's gonna rag, but I should have bought some. Exactly. Once you go into the degen,
Exactly.
you can't go back into
Exactly.
normal.
You can't get back to normal.
No.
Once you become a degen. Anyways, because it's too much fun, right?
Yeah. It's a one ticket.
One-way ticket.
One-way ticket
The
trade.
hell. Oh damn! Wow.
Yeah, Laura said no. I didn't listen to my wife. It's gonna double. That's it.
Yeah.
So it's she was looking at me. It's like, you know the guy.
Yeah.
Dude, you put $50. It's $2,500. It's gonna double. And she's gone. And she's gone. She's just like she's gone.
She's gone. Oh damn!
Hey, go big or go home. Man.
Damn! Oh my god!
Because I mean, okay, technically, what I should have done, I should take my
$50
investment.
back.
Yeah, but I mean, I could be another 1,000 in a week.
Yeah, damn!
You know what I mean?
Oh damn! Oh damn!
It is
Just like this one, right?
Oh, Mets.
Let's go. Let's
Let's go. Let's go to the floor.
Mm-hmm. Where's this Mets going? I don't know.
You don't want to know. I don't want to know.
It's like 5K market cap.
Jesus.
Damn. Do you think we got rugged on this one?
It's possible. It's very likely. There we go.
Oh man.
Oh.
This thing looked like it was promising, didn't it?
Yeah, look at how professional the banner is.
No. It had like a nice website,
Yeah.
like Twitter.
Man. 5,000 followers.
Yeah. Fake followers.
Yeah.
Everything
Man,
we
that.
needed to like.
That dump is.
They had everything they needed to rug everybody. Wow.
That drop is legendary.
Wow.
This is one candle, by the way.
Boom.
Done. There's not even a hope of coming back.
Mm-mm.
It's just gone down flat.
Wow.
Like the slap that you posted earlier. That's it.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
Well, we were hoping to see retired of Bloodline. Did we actually even sell half on a double?
We put some.
We did
Billy.
What was completed? We canceled this. Oh wait, something. SafeNet.
Complete. Let's go. What is it now in the bin?
Did we get SafeNet? When was this? I wish it would tell us the time for these things, right? Some information.
It was probably at night.
Like, is this going to give us any kind of information of when this happened?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. It says there's a transaction here. This is a transaction. But even this doesn't even give us a date.
Oh,
3 days ago.
Yeah, 3 days ago. Ah,
Okay.
there you go. Is
There you
it
go,
8
3
in
days, yeah,
6 in
Yeah,
the
okay.
afternoon?
There we go.
Okay. Well,
Mish.
at least we got the prospect back.
We got something back.
And then
See, I'm telling you, man.
what happened to the safe net thing? Yeah, it's gone, right? It's just Billy.
Billy's still holding on, right?
Billy's not gonna
Yeah. Billy hasn't rugged us, yeah?
yet. we are safe now.
Oh, damn.
Oh boy.
Our bloodline is safe
Yeah, but like
with SafeNet.
temporary parked. But
Let's see. What was
how's the damage on the portfolio?
SafeNet. Well, before we look at the damage,
Yeah.
let's look at the profits. Profits.
Oh yeah, SafeNet. Yeah, let's see how much money we made. Ka-ching, ka-ching. SafeNet.
Maybe
right?
we should get some more of this.
Look
Oh,
at look at the selling.
This
Look at
one.
the selling
Oh, I see what happened.
on the side.
We got rugged. But before we got rugged, right? We sold some. Okay.
Ooh.
That's
Damn.
all right.
Look at that candle pump there.
Mm-hmm.
See, we should have a bunch, because otherwise we're only getting the money back. But if we had 2 or 3 selling orders, we need that bot, man. The degen bot.
Definitely. All right, let's go full degen.
All right, let's do it. And by the way, guys, if you have any questions, put them in the chat, because there's going to be a segment in the end where we're going to look into your questions. I will also try to install a limiter on the microphone, because some people are saying that when we laugh it's too loud, but I'll try to find a limiter. So thank you for the feedback.
Okay, there we go. Let's see here. Okay, so what is this?
Anomaly.
Unknown decks. See decks listings.
Oh wow, the alerts are popping in like there's no tomorrow. Careful, don't do this. We definitely need to buy this.
Oh my god.
I've never seen that alert before.
Me neither.
It must be a good thing, right? I mean, it's an anomaly. Hello.
Let's not say we did.
Let's say we're not doing it and tomorrow we're going to regret it.
Yeah.
Or let's say we're doing it and we're getting racked, which is probably...
What's gonna happen?
Yes. Probably.
Let's go for pump. Oh, another what's going on?
They launched their own DEX.
Pump swap.
I've read, yeah. I mean, I don't even know if this is this
right
is probably
coin.
exactly. It's probably a scam.
Yeah, of course.
But
Pump fun.
yeah. What's Erin? Erin, number 5. What is this? Is this like a cloud?
It looks like everybody's jumping on pump funds, the pump swap.
Yeah. I don't know what this is. It's like a cloud.
Look at this. Unknown decks.
Is that the pumped up fund DEX?
Yeah, exactly.
DEX. TDCCP? What? Guess? Oh boy.
Guess if this is gonna rug.
Yeah.
Let's guess. Let's guess. Let's guess.
It's gonna end.
I'm gonna take a guess. What do you think?
I have very educated guess. It's going to run. But the question is, can we make money between
Exactly.
between now and then?
Exactly. Oh damn.
This is not looking good.
No, it's not. There's no volume.
Yeah.
Let's not and say we didn't get rugged on this one.
Yeah. Spice? What? What is this?
What?
Oh my god, look at the chart. Jesus.
What kind of chart is that? Only down.
Yeah. That's
Only down.
down only. That's it.
So there's got to be some green happening now.
Yeah, I mean that's a good way to see it. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Damn.
This is bad.
You think?
Yeah. What's Doug or Doug? Oh my god, it's like a. It's a Dogecoin ish.
Mm-hmm. Maybe. Let's go for it.
I like it. I like
500
Doug.
followers.
The origin of Doug.
It's early.
Oh, it's the
It's
Austrian.
early.
Have you seen the candle?
He's early.
The candle path from Earth to the moon.
Mm-hmm.
That alone deserves
Exactly.
like point 2 Solana at least.
Exactly.
This is
Bloodline security. That's what it is.
Bloodline security. Bloodline
That's
security.
what it is.
Doug, you're coming home, bro. I like it. But we should put some protection on this one, right? On
Really? What kind of protection you want?
Doug. I don't know, like a selling order.
Oh man.
When we double, not if, of course.
Oh man, I don't know, man. We don't have no. That's not showing faith in Doug.
Oh, is it? Was there a? Is it registered?
I don't know.
The tick came up when you put the address.
What the hell?
What if instead of selling when it doubles, we do it when it's a little bit more than double, like 120%.
Mm-hmm.
So we scoop in some profits.
Fine, but all right. Let's right here then. This
Okay.
number,
Perfect.
just random.
Round.
But why is this not working? Order must be a minimum of 5 USD. It's 5 USD.
Yeah.
It's 18. Damn. We broke.
They're juicing people.
Mm-hmm.
Now they have to increase the amount of swapping. Damn. This looks solid. Yes. Super solid.
Look. Now the warning went away.
Okay, that's weird.
Okay, there we go. There we go. We're done. Not verified. It's verified enough.
Right.
Verified enough. All right, so here.
Jeez, look at this. This is incredible. I've never seen one candle so bad.
This was this one right here that they even like were trying to promote it and they rugged it.
Mm. Damn.
Look at this giveaway.
Jeez. Mac
Make
Trump.
Trump. Oh, look at that chart.
The
It's
chart
only
looks-
going up.
the chart- yeah.
It's only going up.
The chart doesn't look bad actually.
Right. Right.
Jesus, how much that pump was? 443,000.
Let's take a look.
1,000%.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
And we're getting in.
Para-pa-pa-pa.
Oh damn!
I think this should be in our portfolio.
For sure.
Mac Trump. I'm feeling it.
For sure. I'm loving it.
Pa-pa-pa-pa. I'm
For
loving
sure.
it. It's
For sure.
I thought we already had it, but we had a bunch of Trump. I think we have pretty much every Trump. Okay,
I wonder how long it will take to rug this. As soon as we buy it.
that's possible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
We bought the top.
about the top, yeah, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it's just local top, right?
Exactly.
It's going higher.
Yeah. We're gonna be able to sell all this You know. Oops. We want. Let's see here.
Damn, is it 6-6? The number of the devil? Almost.
All right. You want to make a little bit of profits.
Yeah. Nice. 24%.
Half. There we go. There we go. There's half.
Perfect. Nice. One Lambo. Yeah. Mac Trump is going to give us the Lambo.
For sure. For sure. For sure. Okay, what else we got here?
How many we got? 2, 3? One
We
more?
got two. We got two. Should we get one more?
One more. See what we can find there. Guys, if you have any suggestions, let us know in the chat. Let's see, let me scan the chat. Mad Koi. What's Mad Koi? Didn't we look into that already? Mad Koi?
I don't know. How's the tits one going?
Ah.
Didn't we already get rugged on that one?
Ooh! We have some teats.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
How come we're not making money on this thing?
Well, I don't know, man. I can't comprehend because we are doing so good with this.
Exactly.
I don't understand.
Where is it?
Oh, did we sell?
I hope not. We had like a lot of tits and.
I think so. Oh, sorry. We did buy it. Where did it go? We bought it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
We have some. $100?
What the hell?
We are in profit.
What the
here.
hell? Why is it not on the list?
Ah, there you go. There it is. $100. How much did we buy?
Exactly. We bought like
$0.1?
$10 worth. No, 0.25. Dude.
Hello. But we're gonna hold it, right? We're gonna hold it, right?
Dude. Didn't we like and then we sold half of this to
Already, right?
so isn't this we've sent it to the to this thing, right?
Oh, I don't think we have. No.
Yeah, we did.
We did. We're planning to sell the teats? Nah.
Yeah. I don't see it here, but I remember seeing
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. Damn, yeah, you ragged. So sad about that.
There it is, look. It
Oh,
ordered.
yeah. Woo!
We already got paid already.
And we have $100.
Exactly.
Amazing. That's how it should be.
Mish.
Nice.
Look, Mr. Rogers actually. Dude, we got Mr. Rogers too. Dude,
Go, Mr. Rogers.
dude, we got gold too. Dude, we've been making money all this time.
And we didn't even know that.
Exactly.
Oh, Mr. Roger, hello.
Well, we got to sell half of this, right? Wow.
But why these things are going up and the total number in our portfolio is going down is an absolute mystery.
Exactly. Look at this.
$50.
Dude.
$50, man.
Dude.
$50 and $50.
We're selling half of that. That's some serious profits, man.
T-Coin strategic reserve to the moon.
Damn.
Bloodline. Exactly. Guys, $50 every day. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's gonna get us somewhere.
What about this gold, man? This thing's gold.
How are the comments, man?
Where's our gold, man? Why is the search not searching our own, like, tokens, man? I don't understand that logic.
Yeah, the search there, it's just joke. Did we sell all the gold, or did we keep some of the gold?
No, man. We kept some gold. No, actually, I think our gold just
Gone.
yeah.
Bragging Hood.
Mm-hmm. Rugged Hood.
This list is something I
Yeah.
would never be able to explain to anyone.
Haktua.
Hack 2. $9. Pippin. Brian.
for weeks. But coin.
Mr. Rogers, look at that. He's still in the game.
Rogers still in the game.
It's kicking.
How much did we buy with Rogers, man? Like, really?
Mr. Rogers.
We don't even, like, it doesn't show us how much we bought. But I could have sworn
Man.
we got a lot of Rogers.
We got 25,000 Rogers?
Yeah, man. We loaded up on Rogers.
Yeah.
Look, dude. What the hell?
This is so hilarious because we haven't even... We bought it immediately.
Dude! Dude! Dude!
Roger to the bloodline.
Bloodline security.
Mr. Rogers.
What the
Wow.
hell? So Rogers sold. Where did we sell Rogers at? We sold like this much Rogers. How much did we get? 0.25. Dude.
Wow.
Dude.
Crazy ROI on this one. And we still have what, 100 quid in? At 36.
No, 35.
Okay.
36, but still. Swap. Let's see how much we have left. Should we should sell half or another on Rogers doubling, right?
$18?
If it doubles, right? Yeah, I think that's the smart thing to do, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Wow. I'm impressed that we're securing the bloodline slowly here.
Yeah. I would argue that. I love the level of optimism coming through.
I would argue.
I'm open to discuss it.
Open to discuss whether we're secure. Oh damn!
Yeah.
There we go. Look. So if this thing goes to
When?
yes,
when?
yes, dude, we're selling half when this thing doubles again.
And we make $18. Mr. Rogers. It's cold, man. It's cold outside.
Damn.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm happy about this, man. I'm over the moon.
Oh yeah, Mr. Rogers. I was almost ready.
I know
to-
you were ready to surrender.
Yeah, and
I
look
went
at this.
0.25. Look,
Yeah,
blah.
you're gonna in like you're gonna like, bam. 0.25. Mr. Rogers, look at that.
Look at
top.
that.
Wow. Maybe we should buy more of these. You're selling. We should buy some of these. I mean,
Oh damn.
just saying.
Mm-hmm.
This could be the one.
Mm-hmm. Could be. Wow.
1.4 million. That they could have a 10x in him.
Shame.
To be, Mr. Rogers.
There we go. Bloodline security.
The $18 at a time. It's gonna take about 1,000 years, but hey, who's counting?
Yeah, exactly. I'm feeling it. Okay.
Well, as long as we are making money, I don't complain.
Mm-hmm.
So it's good.
All right. Okay, guys. You have any questions for us? Oh my God, that was hilarious.
Yeah, it was.
This is just the trenches, man. It's too much fun. I swear to God.
The trenches are hilarious. Now we need a bunch of more tools to be more
exactly more
protected.
productive. Yes.
protected and productive. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, Liz asking, how do you invest in gold without trading or buying physical gold bars?
You don't.
You don't, yeah, unless you buy paper gold, which you don't want to have.
Exactly. What's the point? Yeah.
I recommend you to, if you want to invest into gold, I'm not recommending. What I would do, I would actually buy physical bars.
Exactly. That's it. That's the only thing you can do. Period. Because the guaranteed, if you buy paper gold, that gold does not exist. 100%. There's a 99% chance that gold doesn't exist.
Yeah, that's very likely.
Why? Because in the paper gold market, For every 1 ounce of gold that's out there, there's 100 paper promises of that gold. So odds are you're going to buy a paper promise.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. What's up with Orc? MacBackhand is asking.
Orc, well, not much right now. We are still waiting for, like, I mean, come on, man. We can't market in this area. This
The old market is down the drain,
tanking. So when you spend marketing money on all you're going to get is a small pump and then back down again. So it will come. Our days will come, and then we're up. We're going to be back up again. So yeah.
Yep.
So be ready. Be ready.
How much can Solana go in the next 6 months? It's a good question. Do you think you're gonna go past the all-time high? Was it 260? Yeah, something like that.
299.
290.
Sorry.
Go for it. Do you think it's gonna? Do you think it's gonna pass the 290? No.
I think Solana is. Well, let's take a look at the chart of Solana actually, since I did promise to show you something a little bit interesting.
You might want to sit down for this, guys.
Yeah.
Just saying.
All right, so let's just take out the fibs, right? And then go back and say, okay, well, this is the price of Solana, right? Priced in Bitcoin. And if you look at any way of looking at this chart, right, you can see that we've broken down to these levels here. And if you try to say, well, what is there any kind of positive indication that we can actually end up going back up? And the answer is no. Why? Because when you break down from key levels, right, which is right up here, this is key level right up here, right? Even though there's no numbers, you're gonna have to just look, right? If you're just one of those people listening, sorry, you're just gonna look. You can see there's like this was resistance here, and that became support here, right? So effectively, right there, that is the key level that it had to stay above for it to continue going higher, priced in Bitcoin. Once it broke that, then you have to look look left, and if you look left, there's only green bars, which means we're going to refill all those green bars all the way down. And so effectively, we've got percentage-wise, priced in Bitcoin.
Here it goes.
To go. 50%. 50?
50?
A whole 50%. 50 cents. Yeah, it's disgusting. At best, and at worst, all the way back and retest the lows. 64%. Priced in Bitcoin. So you could if you switch to Bitcoin right now, right? If you don't switch to Bitcoin right now, you would lose 60%.
No,
yeah, exactly. So imagine losing 60% of Bitcoin. So for example, let's just say you had 1 Bitcoin's worth of Solana, right? Right now. In time, right? I'm not saying next week, right? You're going to be down, right?
60%.
To 60%. So that means like 40.4 Bitcoin's worth you could buy with Solana in a few weeks' time.
Do you think is there going to be a time in this bull run where it's going to go back up? Maybe after this correction, it's going to go back up, or the alt kind of are done?
Yeah.
It's the dominance, right?
We'd have to, like, here's the thing. For me to say whether or not we're going to go back, this is going to reverse anytime soon. First, we have to see that this upward trending thing reverses. There's no reversal here.
Yeah, I know. This is not looking good for the alts. They're going higher, which means alts are getting slaughtered. They're going to bleed more. Right. Dominance is going high.
Your only chance of a reversal is somewhere at the 73%.
73?
73%, yes.
Jesus.
73% at this point in time.
Well, we are now 60.
Yeah, because once we clear this 64%, it's adios muchachos, straight up, practically to 73%.
Dang. This bull market has been super weird because we have not seen. I mean, I would argue we have seen altcoin season because Solana's gone banana, and now it's kind of tuning it down a little bit more. So,
so basically, everything says you should sell your Solana and go straight into Bitcoin. Do you guys want to look at some other asset that you should sell and go straight into Bitcoin? Let's
don't pull up Ethereum.
I'm gonna exactly
because that's depressing.
I'm gonna pull up instead. Let's see here, ADA.
Okay.
Since that's the darling of them all, right? And I could say that, hey, you know what, ADA, yeah, decent coin. Oh, this is not so bad actually. This is not so bad.
Yeah, you see that pump we had there? It's when they announced that they bought Solana, Cardano, and XRP.
Because they were dying before.
Yeah, it was over 90%.
Yeah. So I mean, like, price didn't. Yeah, look at this. It's absolutely collapsed. But it's not so bad. But at the same time, there looks like we have to retest the lows here. If we fail to hold the levels, like hold this the level right here is like,
it's another 40%.
Then yeah, exactly. So let's just see if it holds. Yeah, exactly. If it doesn't hold hold that, you're talking about 40%. Like, yeah, exactly, this level right here. So.
And by the way, I've done exactly what you're describing now, because in the previous bull market I showed you I've converted some Bitcoin for Cardano. I have a bag, of course, and I've been waiting ever since. It's gone to $3. I didn't sell because I was expecting $5. Big mistake. And I've been holding ever since. And now we've barely gone, I think, to 1 something, and then corrected to, I don't know what it is now, probably like.
Yeah, there's a key level here,
cents.
sort of like, I mean, it's really difficult to say. It's right about here, I think, and yeah, it's right there, I guess. But I don't even really like that level. There's another. Then this would be a separate level right here. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. DCA right, Bitcoin, yes, exactly.
Yeah. So right now, I'd say that this level is not being respected. So effectively, yeah, this is the level that has to be respected. And then, but I don't know if you should hang on to this with a prayer, because if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, right, it's saying, what the heck are you doing, right? To hold on to this, what are you doing? There's no hope for most alts in general, and this is a hope and a prayer that, yeah, okay, we're not going to come down. If we come down here, we hold that line. What? Just, you're going to lose
40%.
No, how much percentage from there to that line, and then hope 29%, and then hope you don't lose another 20% on top of that, or even more, because it could get worse. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know. So this another sad one just to point out, because Cardano's good. I like Cardano.
Yeah, I like Cardano too, but like you said, it's not a season for alts; it's season for Bitcoin now. So
it is what it is. I could have swore you're a Bitcoin maxi.
Yeah, I am, but I have a small percentage of my portfolio. It's really tiny into alts, and the alts I hold are very few, like the usual, Ethereum, which I had so much more hope for, Solana, Chainlink, and Cardano. Those are the ones I have, but it's a small percentage compared to my Bitcoin holdings. But it would have been great because one of the technique that we do most of the time is we use alts to make more Bitcoin.
Exactly.
But this time it didn't work out.
It's not working out at all. Not working out at all.
We actually lose.
Not at all. Damn. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of On the Trenches. And, you know, if you go woke, you go broke, right? It's pretty clear.
Yeah.
Because, hey, you know what? 2 + 2 happens to equal 4.
Well. Well.
I mean, do you know that our whole society, you know, buildings and stuff like that would not work unless we agree
Some rules.
on some mathematical rules here?
Yeah, I know. It's interesting. It's very
And
interesting.
the fact that I have to say this, and anyone disagree with me, please unsubscribe and don't talk to me. I don't want to discuss this with you.
Yeah. Makes sense.
All right.
Makes sense. Thank you guys for watching.
All right.
Thank
Thanks.
you, Vinci.
All right.
We'll see you back when we are in Dubai, right? Next week.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.